The flavor for this protein pack is gonna be the Bumblebee Spicy Thai Chili. Both Starkist and Walmart also have a Thai chili flavor, but we're gonna take this one with its 15 grams of protein and work up something special. I'm gonna boil up these top ramen noodles and I'll be right back. So we got our noodles. Now for the star of the show, the Spicy Thai Chili Bumblebee packet. Ooh, you can smell the spice in there for sure. Quick little taste test here. There it is. A little bit of sweet, and that heat starts to build and then definitely comes in on the back end. Ooh, that's got a nice kick to it. So we can go ahead and get this on here. Now, since we're going Thai, I'm adding some peanuts and some shredded carrot. I didn't go to the store to pick up fresh cilantro, but I do have dried, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that to it. And then just for a little bit of freshness, just a quick splash of lime. All right, let's dive in here. That heat does come through on the back end. It's not a huge amount of heat, just enough. If you're looking for more creative ideas on how to use these amazing flavored protein packs with every brand, every flavor, and ideas of what you can do with them to get your creative juices flowing, the link for that is down in the description. And if you want to see more of this flavored protein pack series, check out this playlist. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, and waste none. I'll see you in the next one.